Are you currently searching the real estate market to find real estate that you can purchase? Do you eventually plan to turn that real estate into rental properties? In today's video, I am going to talk to you about whether or not you should place real estate property in a LLC. So you probably clicked on this video because you want to learn whether or not you should place real estate property in a LLC. Hi, my name is Andrew. I'm an attorney here at Molaya Law, where we help entrepreneurs just like you start your businesses without dealing with the complicated legal forms. Our Done For You service is backed by over 2,420 5-star Google reviews, and we can help you start your business too. Now, before I start talking about whether or not you should place your real estate property in a LLC, make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and bell notification so you don't miss out on any future videos. Taking those actions truly helps our channel grow, so thanks in advance. Now let's go ahead and answer the question, should I place my real estate property in a LLC? Before I answer that question, it's important for me to provide you with a little bit of background information as to what an LLC is. An LLC is also known as a Limited Liability Company. An LLC provides separation between personal and business. This means that with an LLC formed, if your business is ever sued, your business assets will be the only assets that are liable. In other words, your personal assets, such as your bank account, your personal car, your savings account, your personal assets will be protected if you have an LLC formed. There are three major reasons why entrepreneurs that are in the real estate space decide to form LLCs. The first reason is personal liability protection. The second reason is tax benefits. And the third reason is business credibility. Now that you better understand how an LLC is used in regards to real estate, let's go ahead and answer the question whether or not you should place real estate property in a LLC. The answer to this question is yes. But do you know why the answer is yes? Allow me to pose you a hypothetical. Imagine you live in California. You have a house with your family, but you're looking to expand your portfolio and you're looking to purchase real estate property in the state of California. Not only are you looking to purchase one real estate property, you're looking to purchase two. If you don't place those two real estate properties in a LLC, this means that those two real estate properties will be connected directly to you. There will be no separation between business and personal. So imagine you rent out those two new real estate properties, and for whatever reason, one of those tenants decide to sue you. In that case, not only will that property be liable for that lawsuit, but your second real estate property will also be liable for that lawsuit. But it doesn't end there. The personal house that you're currently living in with your family may also be liable for that lawsuit. And that is what happens if you don't have an LLC. Now allow me to pose that same hypothetical, but this time you do have an LLC, and both those real estate properties are placed in that LLC. In that case, if the tenant of one of those real estate properties were to sue your business for whatever reason, this means that the real estate property itself, the business assets connected with your LLC, will only be the assets liable for that lawsuit. This means that the current house that you live in with your family will be kept safe. However, do keep in mind that with that second example that I gave you, the example where you have an LLC and you have both of those real estate properties placed in that LLC, although the tenant is suing only one of those properties, both properties may be liable. Your personal house will be safe, but the two real estate properties that you purchased in order to expand your portfolio may be liable. In order to create additional security and additional protection amongst your business assets, you may want to consider forming an LLC for each of those real estate properties that you rent out. If you have two LLCs for each of those properties. If one of those real estate properties ever got sued for whatever reason, the second real estate property will not be liable for that lawsuit. While this may sound like a lot of information, it's actually quite straightforward. Any real estate property that you purchase should always be placed in a LLC. And if you decide to get multiple real estate properties, then it's best to form an LLC and to place each real estate property in its own LLC. In other words, form an LLC for each individual real estate property that you plan or you already own. If you plan to have multiple real estate properties, for example, you plan to have 5, then in that case, it's best to have 5 LLCs. One for each real estate property. If you would like to learn more about whether or not you should place real estate property in an LLC, make sure you click the link in the description box below to book your free call with a professional who can help you better understand whether placing real estate property in a LLC is best for you. If you happen to enjoy this video, please make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and bell notification so you don't miss out on any future videos. If you would like to learn more about LLCs, corporations, DBAs, sole proprietorships, make sure you watch one of these videos here. It's time to invest in yourself. It's time to rise.